dear AIM families. Welcome to My Day. My day is going great. How's your day going? Today is going to be quite a busy day because we are going to go to a workshop. And they are going to be busy making things and using lots of different tools. Let's go down to the workshop and see what they're doing today. Oh, they're using a hammer and nails. Let's see, we're going to use rhythm sticks or maybe pencils to build something. So here's our pretend nails and here's our hammer. Are you ready? Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Did you nail that nail with your hammer? I wonder what else they're doing. Let's see. Oh, they're using a drill. A drill. Maybe we can use our rhythm sticks for a drill. We can go like this. Bzz, 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 bzz. We were able to make holes with our drill. Tools are very, very good things to use. I wonder what else they're doing down there in the workshop. Let's go down to the workshop and see what else they're doing today. Let's see. Oh, they're using a saw. A saw. So let's use our rhythm sticks for a saw. We're going to go like this. Siga saga, 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 siga saga. Yeah, that was fun. And lastly, what else are they doing in that workshop? Are they sanding wood? Yeah, to make it nice and smooth. I think I have some sand blocks in here. They're fun musical instruments too. Look at that. These are called sand blocks, and there's actually sandpaper, and it makes this kind of sound. Let's go down to the workshop and see what they're doing with those as they sand wood. Wow, these tools are really handy in the workshop. Let's see. Oh, the day is almost done. So ring the bell. The day is done. The work has stopped for everyone. Nighty-night.